everyone, and welcome back on this journey to showcase the top developments of commercial and warehousing infrastructures of Hyderabad. Today is a special episode for us because we will take you through two of the most massive industrial parks of Hyderabad. If you've ever wondered about the giants in warehousing and industrial sector, you're in for a treat. Let's dive deep into the world of Horizon Industrial Parks located in Patancheru and Kothur. Hyderabad is not just a tech hub, it's a melting pot of opportunities housing both government entities like BHEL, BEL and private giants such as Amazon, Microsoft and Google. And amidst this vibrant backdrop, Horizon Industrial Parks uncover the opportunity of the demand for warehousing infrastructure in Hyderabad. With a whopping 25 million square feet portfolio, Horizon Industrial Park is one of the front runners in warehousing and industrial parks in India. Anchored by tenants from booming sectors like e-commerce, retail and logistics, serving MNCs to India's biggest corporations, it's a name synonymous now with growth and innovation. First up, JCK Horizon Industrial Park, Kothur, spread across 50 acres with a development potential of 1.3 million square feet. This Grade A park is more than just numbers. Located off the NH44 and nestled within the developed TSIIC industrial area, it's a beacon for manufacturing, e-commerce and 3PL activities. What's more, the park is now home to Fosroc, a British-renowned manufacturer of construction chemicals. With Horizon's world-class infrastructure tailored to its needs, Fosroc is all set to soar. Right now, I am at Patancheru, another gem in Horizon's crown. Its strategic location, a robust infrastructure and its proximity to major highway makes it a hotspot for businesses into manufacturing, e-commerce and 3PL. This logistics park is spread across 500,000 square feet with Grade A infrastructure and all the compliances taken care of. With Hyderabad's reputation as a leading industrial and IT hub, Patancheru offers a unique blend of technology and industry. Horizon Industrial Parks, managed by Blackstone Real Estate Funds, is not just building warehouses, they're crafting the future. As more businesses set up shops here, we can expect a ripple effect, benefiting not just the immediate community but the entire region. What makes this episode special is that we have a guest from Horizon Industrial Park itself sharing their insights.
Hi everyone, my name is Tejas. I am from Horizon Industrial Park. I work as an Assistant General Manager here. I look after the leasing part for the Southern India projects. Horizon Industrial Park is 100% owned and managed by Blackstone. Across India, we have 17 different parks in 8 different cities with a potential of about 25 million square footage. Specifically from South India perspective, we have 2 parks in Hyderabad. One is in Patancheru and second in Kothur. Hyderabad is a key consumption market in India. If you look in India, 80% of the consumption or 80% of the market can be covered by 8 key cities, and Hyderabad is one of them. Hyderabad is known for its ITES companies, which naturally, as the demand progresses, there is a natural extension to residential demand, and which in turns creates demand for warehousing as well. A major impediment in Hyderabad for clients who are looking at a grade A, world-class infrastructure facilities was an institutional player who can have an expertise and experience in developing these infrastructures for their need. In Hyderabad, there is a lacuna in institutional developer creating a world-class infrastructure for end-user clients. Anybody looking at whether it's a warehouse or an industrial facility are forced to interact with individual landlords who may or may not have experience in dealing with the technical know-how. The bit lacuna which was there is something which Horizon Industrial Park tried to overcome, and this is a gap that we saw in the market, and that is why we entered Hyderabad market. In Hyderabad, we see a lot of demand coming in from third-party logistics, from manufacturing clients, assembly clients, companies from automotive component manufacturers, EV-related activities, and we see a lot of support from the government side. With all infrastructure developments and the government support, we see a lot of potential in Hyderabad. Especially from auto component manufacturers, pharma companies, food manufacturing and food processing companies, and also third-party logistics. We are here to grow both organically and inorganically. In Hyderabad, on an average, we have seen an absorption of anywhere between 2.5 million square feet to 3 million square feet over a couple of years. And we have also seen a vacancy level of between 8% to 10%. These kind of vacancies is primarily because the kind of facilities which are available in Hyderabad. Most of these facilities are classified as a grade B or a C kind of a facilities. We see a lot of potential for these tenants to move from grade B and C facilities to a grade A facilities. This is where an institutional developer has a potential to come and set up their park in Hyderabad. We see a lot of values for tenants who are currently in grade B and C facility to move to a grade A facility, primarily from a compliance standpoint of view. Compliance is not only physically compliant buildings, but also from a financial compliance, regulatory compliance, fire compliance, so on and so forth. We see a great potential in Hyderabad, and we are here to stay for long. We will grow exponentially, not only in Hyderabad, but across India as well. In another 2 years, you will see more and more projects coming up in Hyderabad, across Hyderabad, not only in the peripheries, but also in-city expansion is something that we have in our mind. Stay tuned for more projects. Thank you.
In a nutshell, both Patancheru and Kothur by Horizon Industrial Parks are more than just locations on a map. They're the future of warehousing and industry in India. And as we at Address Advisors always say, understanding such large-scale projects and their potential is key to making informed decisions. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned to learn more about the vast world of real estate.